You may have seen this video on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, where a guy uses a bottle and some hot glue to pull dents out of his car. And I call bullshit, I'm not gonna lie, because that's a massive panel there, so there's not really much force involved. My question is, can you do this on real dents? Like real dents. So we're gonna find out today, because I happen to have a hot glue gun, and I think I have a Gatorade bottle somewhere. So let's go take a look at what dents I'm going to be trying to remove with this TikTok method. So we see this is a nice large flat area. I suspect it's going to work just fine here. And obviously it's not going to get the edge piece here, but that's okay. We're mainly concerned about this, which you can see is kind of bad. But then down here on the lower quarter panel, I guess, of the bed, this is a curved panel, so I feel like it's going to be a lot more difficult for it to work on this. Oh, that's kind of... That did not work. So what about the back? Let's go right there. Alright, hopefully this goes better than the front. Oh, that's not gonna work. That's gotta pop right off. That ain't gonna do it. Now I gotta scrape this thing off. And alas, didn't work. And I'm sure there's gonna be 100 people telling me, oh, well, you didn't do it this way and you didn't do it that way. I don't give a shit. This is how TikTok said to do it. It didn't work. Now, there's a reason for that. You notice in those videos that the dents that they pull out are on a very large panel, which doesn't require any effort to really dent, therefore it does not take a lot of effort to take the dent out. These panels are curved, and if you add a curve to metal, carbon fiber, whatever, it adds strength. That's why arches are so strong. So there was no way this was ever going to work on a car with a little hot glue and a bottle. So that's about all I got for you. I hope this video was like entertaining or educational or informative or something for you. As usual, you be good while I'm gone. I will see you next time. Have a good week.